Here's how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. So in this video, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can hide Instagram chats without deleting them. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just open up Instagram. And once you're inside Instagram, first up, you need to make sure that your account is public and you need to do some changes before doing that. So what are those changes? I'm just going to explain it in a few seconds. First up, just basically go to your account, and once you're inside account, you will be able to see that I can only delete the chat or pin it or mute it. I cannot hide it anywhere. I don't have the option, but let's say I do have a solution for that. It's just basically going to your profile and then pressing on these three horizontal lines on the corner. And you can just basically directly search up switch. And here, as you can see, it says switch to professional account. I haven't even wrote switch and it's directly says. So you can just basically directly press on it, or you can just find your way in the settings. It says for professional and it will be saying account type and tools. You just gotta press on it. And here it will say switch to professional account. But if you're having a hard time finding it, you could just basically go right over here and then just basically type in switch and you'll be able to see the option. Press on it and here it says switch to a free professional account. So just press continue and then move, continue, just like that. So now it'll ask you what kind of display if you want, like, you know, what describes it the best. So you could just put in anything that you'd like to. It's gonna put in this and then done. It might take like 30 seconds, but here we go. Now it will give you like two options if you're a creator or a business. So you're just gonna go ahead and do creator and then press next. So yeah, basically press next. Not now. So here it will ask you to set up your professional account, but you just don't need to do that. Once you do this, here as you can see, we have basically switched to professional account. But if we go to our DMs now, we'll see two options, primary and general. So now if I swipe the DM that I want to hide, let's say this one, I'll see first a message icon and then a moving folder. So if I press on this grayish moving folder icon, here we go. I've basically hit the chat. I can do this as well, and I can hide as many as I would like to. So now if I want to find them, I'm just gonna press on the second option called general, and here we go. These are the DMs. So now if I want to unhide them, I can just basically do this and press on the same option, and here we go. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can hide Instagram chats without deleting them. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until and goodbye and peace.